Of course. Let's dive a bit deeper into each concept. Parts of speech. Nouns. Nouns are the names of people, places, things, or ideas. They can be concrete, tangible objects like book or car, or abstract, intangible concepts like love or happiness. Nouns can also be categorized as common nouns, general names, or proper nouns, specific names, usually capitalized. Verbs. Verbs are action words that express an action, run, jump, sing, or a state of being, is, are, am. Verbs can also indicate the tense of a sentence, showing whether an action is happening in the past, present, or future. Adjectives. Adjectives modify or describe nouns by providing additional information about their qualities or characteristics. They answer questions like what kind or which one. S include colors, red, blue, sizes, big, small, and opinions, delicious, boring. Adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs to provide more information about how, when, where, or to what extent an action is performed. Adverbs often end in ly, but not always. S include quickly, often, very, and well. Pronouns. Pronouns are words used to replace nouns in a sentence to avoid repetition. They include personal pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, possessive pronouns, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, and demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those. Prepositions. Prepositions show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. They often indicate location, time, direction, or possession. Common prepositions include in, on, at, by, under, over, between, among, beside, through, and with. Conjunctions. Conjunctions join words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. There are three main types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, and, but, or, subordinating conjunctions, because, although, while, and correlative conjunctions, either, or, neither, nor, both, and. Interjections. Interjections are words or phrases used to express strong emotions, sentiments, or reactions. They often stand alone or appear at the beginning of a sentence and are usually followed by an exclamation point. Include wow, ouch,